Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to uninstall VLC Media Player fully on Windows. So if you've had a bad experience with the program, or maybe you just prefer using Windows Media Player, so to uninstall VLC Media Player, the first thing you want to do is go to this Cortana icon in the bottom, and you want to type in control, and it will come up with the control panel at the top. Then here where it says programs, you want to click on uninstall a program, and then you want to click V. Now you want to locate VLC Media Player, which is here, and then we're going to click on uninstall/change. Now it's going to ask for permission, so click yes, and here it's going to come up with the uninstall process. So you want to make sure this is the correct file path for uninstalling the program, so you want to click next. Then here it's going to ask you if you want to delete preferences and cache, so in this case I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to click install. Now this should only take a few seconds, and once it's done you want to click finish. And if the VLC Media Player has been removed from this list here, if it isn't, you want to click refresh, and then hopefully it should be removed, which it is in this case. And that is how you fully uninstall the VLC Media Player. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and thank you for watching.